Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So today I'm here in the Northwest Las Vegas Valley in a master plan community called Skye Canyon. So Skye Canyon is a new master plan, or one of the newest master plan communities up here in Las Vegas. So today we are going to be touring this beautiful modern farmhouse home by Toll Brothers. Now, the name of this community is Montrose. Now, Montrose has three different floor plans. Actually, I'm sorry, four different floor plans. No, three different floor plans. I'm tripping. It's only three. So these are actually single stories. Then what happens is there is another series on the other side, but we're not going to get into that just yet. Maybe, I'm not too sure. But anyway, we're going to be focused on this, the Braga, or I think that's how you pronounce it. Let me know in the comments below. Now this one right here is a 3 bedrooms, optional 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 full bath, or 2 to 3.5 baths option, 3 car garage. It is 2,031 square feet. Now for this modern farm home, the base price, the starting price, will start off at $564,995. Now, you also have multiple different color schemes that you can pick and choose from. Now, they do have the modern craftsman and the Spanish contemporary. Let's go see what this property has to offer. I definitely love these stacked stone here. Nice water feature, however, that is not included. I love the color scheme on this. Very nice. On this one, you do have the wood eaves. Alright, now the thing about the wood eaves, after a while, they start to get dried out. So here is your kiosk. Now, if you guys see Mesa Ridge, they used to have a bigger kiosk, and it actually had a little camera on it too as well. On this one, they don't have this. So this looks like just pretty much a push pad panel that you just pretty much open, and it's just a locker. Looks like you do get the Ring doorbell. Okay. Now you do have your rekey and keypad, which is really nice. It does come with that. I'm going to take you guys straight back here, so that way you guys can see exactly what is going on. Here we go. Nice, open, contemporary floor plan. It's a little bit dark, so I'm going to get the light here. Here we go. Walk all the way around. So let's start from the beginning here. We're going to go back. Let's head back this way. So you're going to have 8-foot doors, 10-foot ceilings. As you can see, they cladded the ceiling here and put the faux beams, which is really nice. You do have a nice wide hallway. You have luxury vinyl flooring. Off to the right, as you enter the property, we have 2 bedrooms here with a full bath. Now, the sink doesn't come with it. That is an option. Fiberglass tub would actually be the shower combo. You have the option to pick any tile that you choose. With Toll Brothers, you're going to have a lot of options to pick and choose from at the design studio. Their selection at the design studio, I love it. There's so much options. So right across the hall here, we have the laundry room. You have the sink. Front load. The only thing about building this custom shelf here, now you are restricted to always have a front load. Wow, I love the shelves with the LED lights with the backsplash on here. 42 upper cabinets, which is really nice. You're going to get the maple cabinets, 42. This is the smart panel box that's screwed down. This is a 40-inch smart panel box. Let's take a look at this bedroom right here. What do we got? So the bedroom up front, again, we have 10-foot ceilings, orange peel texture. So this room is about 13 by 12, so it's a pretty decent size here. We do have a queen size bed. So in this one, it looks like we have a 2 rocker switch on this. Looks like Toll Brothers had added a transfer grill for the ductwork. Here's your second bedroom, but this one has been turned into an office. Let's get a little bit more light in here. Here we go. Love the feature wall here that they got. Pretty cool. This room right here is 13 by 11. You got a 2-panel door, chrome fixtures, 4 shelves. Now let's make our way back down the hall here. Off to the left we have a garage. Oh, I love how they did this casing right here. It's really nice. You have a 4-inch casing, and it's not even a door, but that's really nice. Good concept. I'm gonna have to bite that. I actually really like that. Here's your 3-car garage. Now, remember on this one, you had the option to do the tandem car garage. So this right here would have been your tandem garage. So it looks like you can have up to 4 bedrooms. It looks like they are missing a sink. Love that lights underneath that shelf like that. Cool, right? Got the alarm system. Let's see if we can go inside the garage. Oh, yeah. See what they got here. Option for a service door. Takes you out to the backyard. You do have your tankless water heater. Soft water. You also get the texture inside the garage and painted. However, you don't get that with some other builders. So this is included, which is nice. Take a look at this bathroom here. You got the half bath. Sink on this one is only like 34 inches. Definitely see if I can get that raised for sure. Now what is strange is, it says it's, 3 to 4. Yeah, I guess it is 3 to 4. For some apparent reason I thought it was just 3 with a den. Alright, let's take a look at this. This thing is gorgeous. I don't even know where to start with this kitchen. Okay. I can tell you right now, with this kitchen, it's probably cut off from here. These are all extra custom shelves. There's a lot of stuff that has been done to this kitchen here. First, let's start off with this beautiful island. You have a 2-tone on the island here. As far as cabinet colors. Cabinet colors, you're going to get the maple 42-inch upper cabinets. You have the front apron farmer sink. And let's take a look at the cabinet. So in this cabinets here, I've noticed a lot of builders are now moving from MDF, right, to this hard plywood with the staple, which is, I actually kind of like this. This is actually a good idea. So this is a little bit better quality. Kind Kind of like that. So this island right here is about 7 by 3.5 feet. Wow, take a look at these cabinets, right? These flies, like there's a fly in here that's bugging me. Keeps flying all over. So you get the 42 upper cabinets with the LED lights underneath. You got shaker cabinets. So this is not your high-end cabinets, but with the black hardware gives that custom feel. You got the quartz countertops with the inch front face, and you got the double stack with the LED lights. Look at this, with a beautiful crown. It does come with a 3-inch crown too, I believe. Now my favorite part is this cabinet right here. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Oh, it's not that deep, I forgot. It's only a 12-inch depth. This is actually a 24-inch depth counter. For some apparent reason, I thought it was a lot deeper. Love the shelves right there. And I love how they did this backsplash, this whole wall, which makes sense. Six-foot slide. Again, orange peel texture. You have your 3 inches on the baseboards here. Let's take a look at your built-in. Really nice. This right here would definitely be additional upgrade here. Lot premium is going to run you upwards of $50,000. Now, a couple things with this builder. There were some bidding wars that was going on with Toll Brothers. Now, what's great about this community, there's no bidding war, okay? What's nice about this track is that if you are interested, obviously you want to get approved with them, right, with their financing department, and you're going to go on the list. And what's nice about this is first come, first served. There's no bidding war at this time. But there's a waiting list. So what's nice about this is if there's something that you're interested in, right? You're on the reserve list. You're ready to go, lock and load it once it comes available. An email is going to go out to everybody. Once it goes out to everybody, first person responds, you have the opportunity to get it. So if you're out of state, that's even perfect. I like how they don't have the fiberglass pan here. A lot of white in here. Now this is a 1/4 inch. This is a little bit flimsy, so that's something I definitely would upgrade. I love the silver trim on here. Coming through the closet here, not bad. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at the water closet. Let's look at this bedroom one more time. So you can see they're building out the pool here. Now HOAs for the master, or HOAs for this community is for us, $65. The master, $84, which gives you a total of $149. You do have SID, which is Special Improvement District, $9,621 roughly. You'll make a payment of $362 biannually. Now, if you want to reserve a spot within 48 hours, it's $1,000. Fill out your pre-application. Kind of go down with the rundown with the deposit requirements. earnest money deposit is 5% of the base price. That's if you're financing conventional or paying cash. Lot premiums, they want 20% down. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Also, if you guys come out to this track, there is a salesperson that I've done a lot of business with. She is a good person. She's a sales rep for Toll Brothers. She is very good at what she does. Great customer service. Please reach on out to her. I'm sure she's going to take really good care of you guys. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.